Hey guys, CubanTobacco here with a quick setup video for the open interest spaghetti for Cuban's Edge. You might have already seen this on Twitter, but I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to set this up. What we currently have is 5 instances of the same indicator applied to a single TradingView pane. If we double click this, you'll see that this is actually just what you might often see as an oscillator at the bottom of a chart. Currently, we have it on the 5-minute BTC chart. You can have this on any asset here, any ticker. It isn't reliant, but the time frame at the top here will determine the open interest calculation. So you can set that to the 1 minute, hour, whatever your poison of choice. So if we double click down here, the question is, how do we get to this point? So let's remove all 5 of these, and I'll give you a quick demo. Go up to indicators, go to your invite only scripts, scroll down to find Cuban's open interest spaghetti, hit that 5 times, and that will apply the indicator to your screen. Now the question becomes, how do we fit these all into one pane? If you go to the second one down, hit move to existing pane above, and do that for each of the 5, or rather the 4 below the first one, because that is our original pane. We now have 5 on that one single pane, but we have 5 different scales. So in order to fix that, we go into options for the second one, pin to scale A. For the third one, we do the same. And what that'll do is that will put all of the 5 instances of the indicator onto the same scale. Great. So now we have that. If we double click on that pane, that'll full screen that for us. In order to show all 5 of the tables, what we need to do is we need to go down to the second one here, go to screen location, set that as 2, and use the second asset list as well, and then do that for each of these. So screen location 3, asset list 3, because remember the first one is already using screen location 1 and asset list 1. And lucky last, screen location 5, asset list 5. Now that'll bring up all 5 instances within a single pane. Now, once you get to this point, you might want to play around with a few of the settings. Currently, this is set to a look back mode of the rolling bars. So this uses the last 60 bars to calculate the cumulative open interest, whether that's positive or negative. You can then also use the timestamp setting, and that will use this timestamp here to anchor the open interest calculation. Now, you might want to set this to a significant event or a catalyst, or you can use the zoom function. Zoom function is similar to the volume profile visible range, which is available in TradingView. And what that will do is, I haven't set this up, but what that will do is it will use the edge of your screen as the starting point for the calculation. Well, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this quick setup video. If you have any questions, give me a shout. I'll be around. Enjoy.